Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to learn our next lesson of English Balbharti Standard 1, Unit number 5, Lesson number 3. A surprise for grandma. Listen, read and enact. Sunday is a holiday. Sohan and Sweetie are going to visit grandma and grandpa. After traveling, Sohan and Sweetie reached their grandparents' house. "Hello, Grandpa." "Hello, Grandma." Grandpa said, "Grandma has been busy today. She has cleaned all the rooms. She has wiped all the windows." Sohan and Sweetie asked, "Are you tired, Grandma? Let's give Grandma a rest today. Just sit and have a rest." Grandpa said, "Come on, Sohan. Come on, Sweetie." Grandpa, Sohan and Sweetie work in the kitchen. They are busy. After completing work, Sohan and Sweetie ask, "Come to the kitchen, Grandma. Come and see." After seeing everything, the grandma spoke. "Oh, soup, sandwiches and salad. What a treat! Grandma, do you like banana delight?" "Oh, I love it." After lunch, Sohan and Sweetie gave a gift to Grandma. "And now, there's a surprise for you. Grandma, open this parcel." "Oh, a mobile phone. What a surprise." "But..." "Grandma, no buts now. I know your problem. You don't know how to use this. But don't worry, we will all help you." So dear students, moral of this lesson is that we should help our elders in their everyday works.